There's a remedy that is very helpful at this time of year that everyone should know about, especially if you would like to have a natural way to treat flu and other respiratory illnesses. And that remedy is gelsemium. So let me tell you a little bit about gelsemium. With this homeopathic remedy, the symptoms sometimes come on after having an exciting experience or getting some bad news or being overly happy or sad or overly emotional. That tends to be something that happens during the holidays, during travel that we do, and those kind of things. So that is the first point to make here, is that it is a remedy that has an onset from some kind of emotional experience, especially after fright, good news, or excitement. The flu, if gelsemium is the right remedy, may come on very slowly, as opposed to some other remedies such as aconite or belladonna, where you might see all of a sudden you feel sick. But with gelsemium, it might just start with a feeling of fatigue or a little bit of a tickle in the throat, and you're not really sure if you're getting sick or not. That's more like a gelsemium kind of flu. The main symptoms of gelsemium are fatigue, weakness, trembling. So there's a lot of feeling just exhausted. And this is why gelsemium can also be a wonderful remedy with COVID, because when you have a flu and you're feeling, or COVID, and you feel like your head is very dull, you can't think straight, and you're just exhausted, that can be an indication of needing gelsemium. The eyelids may feel very heavy and just hard to keep your eyes open, and you may experience chills up and down the spine with gelsemium. So these are some of the main points that everyone should know about the homeopathic remedy gelsemium. It is one of the best remedies for flu and also helps with COVID. I would suggest it in a 30C, which you can pick up at most health food stores or Whole Foods, and just try 2 or 3 pellets of the remedy. Just try 1 or 2 doses and see if it helps. And if it doesn't help, it's better not to continue to repeat it. If you'd like to learn more about homeopathy, please check out our website, homeopathytraining.org, for our training courses in homeopathy. Thanks for listening.